So the system will sort of takes you in, and obviously you can give yourself a login ID, and it actually pulls some of the data from the BIR registration system, which is like your name, address, your TIN number, your date of birth, and other sort of metadata information. So once you're basically registered with the National Single Window, you're ready to transact with the 30 government agencies that the system has been configured with. So we'll show you a trader that's already been registered, and we'll try to show you what he's capable of doing through this single window portal. This is a company I registered earlier on. So this is the trader's dashboard. We have two different dashboards. One is for the importer exporter, as I would refer as a trader, and the second is the agency dashboard. That is where the agency goes and approves the application. As part of the system, other than just submitting an application, the system has the ability to attach documents or additional documents like performer invoice, bill of lading, any of those documents that an agency might require with the application. We'll show you we'll show you the agencies that the system has been configured against, or for, and these are 30 government agencies which are live. So as you can see, they are Bureau of Investment, Import Services, this is Internal Revenue, Product Standards. These are all regulatory agencies that you normally require permit clearances before you import any commodity into the country. What the system is capable of, as well as Philippines is a very, very big country for almost 3,000 islands, the system can be regionalized, that you can actually submit your application to your local island. For example, you have islands called Cebu, Davao, or Quezon City, or a national office. So you can do different things with the system, like you can have a different workflow for the national office, and depending on the size of the regional office, you can have a different workflow for the regional offices. We'll show you how you could do an application for one of the offices. For the Bureau of Internal Revenue, we'll just pick the Bureau of Internal Revenue as an example, and we're going to submit it to the national office. And the application we're going to pick is Import Application for Authority to Release Import Goods. The additional information that we show to the importer to help him is we show him the attachments that are required with the application, so that before he starts submitting his application, he has an idea of the attachments he requires to submit with the application. So let's go to the application. So we'll just go into the application to show you what the form looks like. This is a form that's been designed, which looks very similar to the original form. One of the major reasons for us to make the forms look very similar to the original form was for user training, so that it would be easier for the importers to fill the forms in. One of the key elements that we have in the Philippine National Single Window is that we have the harmonized codes that have been configured into the system. As far as we are concerned, and we've done a lot of presentations in the region, Philippine National Single Window is the only single window that has the harmonized codes configured within the National Single Window. As you can see, if I search for the words bananas, it will actually give me a list of all the tariff or the harmonized codes that are relevant for that commodity. So once you picked up the harmonized code, you fill in the application and you would submit it. To save time, we just pre-filled an application earlier on, and we'll show you that, and we'll submit it. This is what the system allows you to do, is to save the application in case you have some documents missing, and go back to the application and then actually submit it at a later time. As you can see, these are the documents that are required. And the system has the ability to have documents that are mandatory and documents that are optional.